A complete solar eclipse is one of the most breathtaking sights in our cosmos. As infrequent as they are, they don't exclusively occur on Earth. On certain planets, they happen daily. Today, we'll guide you across the solar system to witness what a solar eclipse is like on various planets. From a triple solar eclipse on Jupiter to the peculiarities of a Mars solar eclipse. Join us as we embark on a journey to observe every solar eclipse in our solar system. But first, what exactly is a solar eclipse? Well, a total solar eclipse on Earth occurs when our moon passes between us and the sun, obstructing sunlight for several minutes. These occurrences take place on Earth approximately every 18 months, but they're seldom visible due to often happening over the ocean. On April 8, 2024, most of North America will witness a total solar eclipse. Scientists project the next occurrence to be in 2033. But while you may know what a solar eclipse looks like on Earth, what about other planets? But before we delve into that, allow me to introduce you to a new game I've been enjoying. It's called Beast Lord, the New Land, boasting over 10 million downloads. It's a free strategy mobile game where you can command 500 different animals to defend and conquer the animal kingdom. Explore the game map, play with friends, or engage in battles. One highlight is the Beast system, accessible at level 16. Instead of regular animals, you unlock dinosaurs like the T-Rex, Spino, and Anki, among others. These beasts offer a significant advantage in surviving and battling. For the ultimate challenge, face the Mega Beast, one of the game's toughest bosses. Capture your own Mega Beast by defeating enemies in the wild or finding a Mega Beast egg. Download Beast Lord, the New Land, and use my code BL777 for starter supplies. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, hosts 95 moons, but that's just part of its story. With a massive gravitational pull, Jupiter attracts thousands of asteroids, celestial bodies, and space debris. Despite its moons, only 4 cause a total solar eclipse: Io, Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto. Each offers a unique eclipse experience. Io, for example, is the third largest moon of Jupiter, about 5% bigger than our moon. NASA has captured stunning images of a solar eclipse with Io, showcasing the shadow cast by the sun onto the planet. Moreover, Io is the most volcanically active celestial body in the solar system, resulting in a mesmerizing sight during a solar eclipse, a sparkly ball of fire blocking the sun. And witness a glittering sphere of flames obscuring the sun. This incredible spectacle would endure for approximately 13 minutes. Solar eclipses observed on Earth typically range from a few seconds to about 7 minutes due to the Moon's proximity to the Sun and its speed of travel. But what about a triple solar eclipse? Yes, you heard that right. Io, Callisto, and Ganymede aligning create a triple solar eclipse on Jupiter. This occurrence happens once or twice every 10 years when Io, Callisto, and Ganymede align to block out the Sun, producing an incredibly mesmerizing effect. Watch as these planets cast captivating shadows on Jupiter's surface. Oh, wait, nothing's happening. That's because Mercury and Venus lack moons to obstruct the Sun. Why is this so? Well, Mercury is devoid of moons due to its proximity to the Sun. Being a smaller planet, its gravitational pull is too weak to retain other celestial bodies. They'd either collide with Mercury or be absorbed by the Sun. Venus, however, has a different story. Billions of years ago, it may have possessed a moon. However, millions of years later, it collided with another massive rock hurtling through space, altering its orbital direction and causing its moon to crash into the planet. Perhaps one day, a sufficiently large asteroid will pass by, creating a brief solar eclipse for Venus and Mercury. But for now, they'll have to imagine the experience. Fortunately, you won't need to. Let's shift our focus to other planets. Welcome to Mars. The red planet has the opportunity to showcase multiple solar eclipses owing to its two moons, Deimos and Phobos. However, there's a slight catch: these solar eclipses differ from those on Earth as they only result in partial solar eclipses. Phobos, with a diameter of 22.2 kilometers, 13.8 miles, and Deimos, even smaller at 12.6 kilometers, 7.8 miles, are essentially glorified asteroids. Due to their diminutive size and distance from the Sun and Mars, they can only partially obstruct the Sun. Nonetheless, the sights are still remarkably captivating. Now, imagine observing the eclipse from the perspective of one of the moons. From this breathtaking viewpoint, you'd witness Mars eclipsing the Moon, generating a full solar eclipse. The best part? Depending on the time of year, this could occur daily. Saturn boasts numerous moons, some larger than Mercury. With approximately 146 moons, Saturn hosts a diverse array of lunar bodies. Similar to other planets, NASA has captured stunning imagery of eclipses occurring on Saturn. Yet, we're about to present it in a never-before-seen manner. Just like with Mars, depending on your vantage point, you could encounter multiple solar eclipses daily, contingent on the season and your chosen moon for observation. Uranus, with around 28 moons, only has 5 or so large enough to produce a full solar eclipse. However, they're exceedingly rare due to the planet's 84-year orbit around the Sun, resulting in a solar eclipse occurring only once every 42 years. This rarity is attributed to Uranus's extreme tilt on its axis, resulting in peculiar patterns of sunlight on the planet. Additionally, Uranus's extreme tilt causes its moons to orbit along its equator. Every 42 years, Uranus's poles align with the Sun, facilitating a total solar eclipse when the moons align to pass in front of the Sun. Out of Neptune's 14 moons, approximately half are capable of producing a solar eclipse. However, the view from Neptune is less than spectacular due to its vast distance from the Sun. Instead of the radiant star we're accustomed to from Earth, the Sun appears as a mere glimmer in the sky, receiving only 1/900th of the sunlight we receive at home. Consequently, solar eclipses on Neptune are relatively inconspicuous, lasting only a few seconds. Now, although it's no longer classified as a planet, let's show some appreciation for the smallest entity in our solar system. Pluto boasts a particularly intriguing solar eclipse occurring every 120 years. Pluto and its largest moon, Charon, alternate eclipsing the Sun roughly every 6.5 Earth days. Another intriguing aspect? Since Pluto only exposes half of its surface to the Moon, only that portion experiences the eclipse. So there you have it, what unfolds when moons and other celestial bodies obscure the Sun. Hey, have you ever pondered the repercussions if the Sun were to suddenly unleash a solar flare aimed directly at Earth?